In this video, I would like to explain SAT Max geometry question. In this figure, this angle is obtuse angle with 125 degree. This angle is acute angle with 85 degree. We must find the values of x. First, we must know this angle. We can name this angle alpha. Alpha plus 125 degree equal 180 degree. Therefore, alpha is equal to 55 degree. We can name this angle beta. Beta plus 85 degree equal 180 degree. So, beta is equal to 95 degree. According to triangle sum theorem, x degree plus alpha plus beta equal 180 degree. X plus alpha plus beta 55 degree 95 degree equal 180 degree. X equal 180 degree minus 150 degree. So x equal 30 degree. S equal 30 degree is the solution of the polynomial x. So the correct answer is number B. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.